traveled to a non-English speaking country?
Yeah.
What do you think about the local people there?
Just very, I don't know, like quite nice, but obviously all doing their own things because they just need to kind of, I don't know, go along with their daily tasks and, you know, kind of minding their own business, I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like, you know.
Okay. So, do you prefer solo travel alone, or with other people?
I've only traveled by myself, yeah.
Oh, all
yeah,
right.
just to
Cool.
see family, because, yeah, like, but I'm usually travel by myself, yeah.
And where do you usually collect the information for the trip?
Just a few websites, you know, just like Trivago maybe, or I don't know, like, you know, just Google.
Okay, yeah. So have you thought of finding information from the local people?
No, actually, yeah, because no, I actually really haven't. But that'll be actually a good way of like doing that because
Yeah,
you know, it's like first-hand experience.
yeah, because it's very interesting when you can have a trip with the local people. They can bring you an interesting experience with the culture, with the like the food and something in the countries that you visit.
Yeah, no doubt,
Yeah, and so do you think meeting local people is more interesting than following the tour agents?
Yeah, I think so, definitely, because it's just like what you said. You know, it's more of a personal kind of experience, and obviously they're from there, so you know they show you everything, and except not just you know what the agency wants you to see, but just actually like the whole scoop of things, you know, like the whole everything that kind of.
Usually, like much cheaper.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah, and you travel with the locals, usually much cheaper, and the thing that. For example, the food on the place, usually the local people go. It's not really for the tourists. So what you experience is really different. Like if you follow like the recommendation from like the tour companies.
Exactly.
And that's why we're developing a website that you know they can connect the locals and travelers.
That's great. Yeah.
And for example, like if you plan to travel to Southeast Asia, like in some, you know, for example, like go to Vietnam. Where we're from, and like you're typing like you want to go to Ho Chi Minh City, and you just typing Ho Chi Minh City, and you're gonna see a lot of like students. They can offer you like free tour guides. And you can travel with them like for a day, and you know show you around and eat something locally.
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah. It's like almost like Wolfen.
Yeah.
Like,
and we also like. You can know the people, the information about them, and they also have the video to introduce about themselves.
So
make
really
it more
like personal.
Personal. So we hope that we can, you know, make it really different from, like, for example, like TripAdvisor or some of the travel agency. Usually they, you know, it's for profit one. Like sometimes it's, you know, it's just a bad story.
Oh, that's really cool. So are you in the process of making the app?
We are making the website and the apps. We call it Lingo Connector because we think like everything starts with the language.
Exactly. Lingo.
So basically, if you ask them, it's a language, right? That's why we try to connect people with the language, and we prefer English because it's international language. So like if you don't know anything, like you can ask them. Travel, like they can give you a lot of advice, you know, from the local people. And also we run it because we hope we can, you know, provide like information about job when you travel to the traveling country. For example, when you travel to Vietnam, and you can get the source of information, you know, where you can get a job, and you know, like basically like how much you can get. And actually, it's a good money if you work in like in some countries. For example, like the very common job is English teacher.
Oh, true. A lot of my friends are.
It's like for example, the minimum is like $30. Per hour. And here, like just 15, right? Something.
True.
How much per hour did you say?
$30, at least $30. Like for very normal one. And if you have higher level, like you have the qualification, the TESOL, or you kind of like the TOEFL or IELTS trainer, you can get like $50 per hour.
Wow, for your teacher.
But you need to, if like they have some like the certificate you can get from online, like just 150 or 200.
Oh, really?
And you can qualify to take English in other countries.
Wow. Jeez,
Yeah.
you should definitely actually look into that.
Yeah, because like you work for a day in Asia, you have enough money to cover for the whole month.
Exactly.
Like for renting.
Yeah.
And the rest,
cheap
you know,
as
just
well,
saving and traveling.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, that's a really cool lifestyle.
That's a good lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, but wow.
So like we hope like we can, you know, create opportunity for travelers, also for the locals, because you know they want to improve their English. That's why we want to run.
Exactly. Yeah, it's all about. Yeah. Oh, that's really cool. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm interested to see kind of like how it develops and everything. Have you got like a card or anything, or just like what you do?
Yeah. We just started like a few months ago.
Oh yes.
We still the website still running. And I think it's gonna be, you know, published soon.
Yeah.
And we first started with the group Facebook called Lingo Connector, and basically the members from Vietnam and some other Asian countries. So like if you guys have planned to travel there, you can ask them, and they can give you the advice.
Yeah.
Even like you can ask for them, they can give you that.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, and English. English teaching as well. I didn't really know that because a lot of my friends go to, you know, like Asian countries and stuff and do that, but I didn't really realize know how to actually go about that if you wanted to actually do it, you know.
Yeah.
Or, like,
actually, like if you know your major is marketing or you know something like IT, you can get a job there too. It's not just, you know, teaching English, right?
Yeah, exactly.